Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you and discuss to you what is animal cell, and later on I'm going to show you how I made my own version of the 3D model of the animal cell.
Animal cells are typical eukaryotic cells. They are enclosed by plasma membrane and constitutes of membrane-bound nucleus and organelles. Animal cells do not have cell wall. Due to the lack of the cell wall, the size of the cell varies and the shape is irregular. Animal cells contain structures like centrioles, cilia, and flagella and lysosomes. Animal
So hello everyone. So now this is the final product or the finished product of my animal cell. As you can see, it is made out of styrofoam, and the first one that I'm going to show you, or the first part that I'm going to show you, is the cell membrane. Here, the green part, the outer part of the cell. So the cell membrane, it supports and protects the cell, and it also controls the movement of materials in and out of the cell. So here I'm going to show you an example of a cell membrane. And it forms a barrier between cell and its environment, and also helps maintain homeostasis, and it is the outer lining of the cell which encloses all other cell organelles. So basically it protects the cell, and for a short term it is the guardian of the cell. The next part that I'm going to show you is the cytoplasm. So in my model, the cytoplasm is here, and it is the white part of the cell. You know this, the white part of the cell. That is the cytoplasm of the animal cell. So the cytoplasm is a fluid substance that fills the cell. The cytoplasm maintains the osmotic concentration of the cells and prevents them from bursting or shrinking. So here is the example of a cytoplasm. The part that I'm going to show you is the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER. So in my model, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. This violet snake shaped part here, this is the endoplasmic reticulum of the animal cell. And it is a membrane-bound organelle which makes lipids and other materials. It helps carrying materials through the cell, and it aids in protein synthesis. It is a large network of interconnecting membrane tunnels, and it is composed of both rough endoplasmic reticulum and soft endoplasmic reticulum. Both of these parts of the endoplasmic reticulum, they follow the instructions from the nucleus and make proteins that the cell needs. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with the outer nuclear membrane. It transports material through the cell and produces and digests lipids and membrane proteins. So the next one is the nucleus. So the nucleus is located here at the center of the cell, this blue part here. That is the nucleus of the animal cell. So the nucleus, it is a membrane-bound organelle, spherical in shape. Most of the activities of the cell is directed by the nucleus. It also contains the hereditary material of the cell and also helps in protein synthesis. Next one is the ribosomes or ribosomes. So it is located here, these dark spots all over the cell. This is the ribosomes or ribosomes. So ribosomes are the smallest cell organelles and are most abundant. They are found in all cells as they synthesize proteins that are required for the survival of the cell. Ribosomes are found on the endoplasmic reticulum. Together, they help in manufacturing proteins for the cell following instructions of the nucleus. So, the ribosomes is like a fluid of the cell, and it won't work or it won't do its job without the direction of the nucleus. So, the next one is the Golgi apparatus, or the next one is the Golgi apparatus or the Golgi body. So this is the Golgi body or the Golgi apparatus of the animal cell. The Golgi complex looks like the endoplasmic reticulum. They are mostly alike. and are located near the nucleus. Its function is to modify proteins made by the cell and pack and export proteins to. And now we proceed to vacuole, this red part here. This is the vacuole of the animal cell. So the vacuole of the animal cell is, the main function is to store food. It is the storage of food, water, metabolic, and toxic waste of the animal cell. So in familiar term, it is like a bunker of the animal cell where it stores its own food and water and other toxic waste. Next one is we have the lysosomes. Lysosomes are these yellow dots here of the cell. As you can see, these are the lysosomes. So lysosomes are very special vesicles in animal cells. They contain enzymes. It digests old cell parts and breaks down larger food molecules. So that's the function of lysosomes. And the last one is the mitochondria or mitochondria. This blue part here is the mitochondria or mitochondria of the animal cell. As we all know, mitochondria or mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It is the generator of the cell. It gives energy or it gives life to the cell. And yeah, that's basically it. I've only labeled 9 major parts of the animal cell because I can't fit the little parts of the cell in my model. So I've only labeled the major parts of the cell. We have vacuole, cytoplasm, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body or Golgi body, ribosomes, cell membrane, mitochondria, and lysosome. So there are 9 parts in here. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you for watching. Annyeong.